Leadership Secrets for 2025, Practical Tips for the Modern Leader. Today we're digging into the leadership secrets you need for 2025. The future of leadership is here, and it's not just about managing people. It's about adapting to a world driven by rapid technological change, diverse teams, and the need for authentic leadership. So let's get practical. I'm going to give you specific, actionable tips to thrive in the coming years. Embrace continuous learning and adaptability. Adaptability will be non-negotiable in 2025. With AI, machine learning, and automation transforming industries, leaders can't afford to stand still. You've got to stay ahead of the curve, but let's break that down into specific actions. Example 1. You're in finance or marketing. Attend workshops that focus on integrating AI-driven predictive analytics into your operations. This could be the game changer for improving decision-making accuracy and saving costs. Example number 2. Don't just wait for someone else to push new tech. Set up AI pilot projects within your organization. If you lead a product team, start experimenting with AI to automate product testing or improve customer feedback analysis. Tip: schedule monthly sessions with your team to explore new tech trends. From AI to blockchain, this keeps your organization agile and ready to innovate. Focus on inclusivity and employee wellness. 2025 will demand a deeper focus on inclusivity and employee wellness. But let's move beyond generic well-being programs. Employees are craving genuine human connection, and leaders have to step up. Here's how you can do that. Example number 1. Don't just implement wellness programs. Make them personal. Have tailored wellness packages based on individual needs. Mental health days for one person, or flexible hours for someone managing a family. Example 2. For inclusivity, go beyond diversity quotas. Start by training managers to lead diverse teams effectively. For example, if your company is expanding into new global markets, make sure your team understands cultural nuances and how to lead across those differences. That could mean learning about communication styles in Asia versus Europe as an example. Tip: run quarterly inclusivity audits, review pay gaps, promotion diversity, and team cohesion to ensure your initiatives are driving real change. Develop enterprise leadership skills. Enterprise leadership isn't just about managing your direct reports. In 2025, companies need leaders who can drive transformation and performance simultaneously. This means you need a balance of technical expertise and people skills. Here's what that looks like in practice. Example 1. If your company is undergoing a digital transformation, you'll need to bring everyone on board. Organize cross-functional training sessions where tech teams train non-technical employees on using new tools like machine learning platforms. Example number 2. Strengthen your ability to lead through change by offering real-time coaching. When a team member struggles with the transition, step in to coach them through the challenge rather than waiting for quarterly reviews. Tip: set measurable goals for your team during transformation, but also build on flexibility for when things don't go as planned. This balance of structure and adaptability will help drive success. Master communication. In 2025, your communication style could be the deciding factor between success and failure. With remote work and hybrid teams becoming the norm, clear and impactful communication is more critical than ever. Here's how to get it right. Example number 1. Use visual storytelling to communicate complex data. Instead of sending a dense spreadsheet, summarize key insights using infographics or short videos. Example number 2. For virtual teams, over-communicate. During key projects, implement daily stand-ups, short 10-minute check-ins to ensure alignment and that everyone is on the same page. Tip: use tools like Slack, Trello, Asana for transparent project communication so that everyone from designers to developers stays informed. Also, hold monthly Q&A sessions where employees can ask leadership questions directly. This builds transparency and trust. Lead with values and compassion. Finally, let's talk about leading with values and compassion. By 2025, employees and customers will demand more authenticity from leaders. Here's how you can generally lead with compassion while maintaining accountability. Example 1. When it comes to values, create a decision-making framework that's based on your company's core principles. If sustainability is part of your values, make sure every strategic choice, whether it's a product launch or a new hire, aligns with those principles. Example number 2. Leading with compassion doesn't mean being soft. This is very often deeply misunderstood. During challenging times like layoffs or restructuring, communicate with empathy and transparency. Don't sugarcoat the situation, but make sure your team understands you're there to support them through the process. Tip: create an employee recognition system that ties into your company's values. For example, if innovation is a core value, reward employees who demonstrate creative problem solving. Leadership in 2025 and beyond. Leadership in 2025 is about more than just managing people. It's about adapting to change, fostering inclusivity, and leading with compassion and values. By focusing on these practical strategies, you'll be able to lead effectively in a rapidly evolving world. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more actionable leadership tips. Let's keep growing and leading together.